Here I have BQ Aquarius V, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer. Let's here choose apps. Here I have apps. From the following options, let's choose more key and select here reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. But what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's choose reset apps, and that's it. You just reset app preferences. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.